Hello, welcome to Linux Tutorials, and today we are going to install TeamViewer on Linux Ubuntu version 22.04. So let's go. The installation consists of two parts. In first part, we should run as root admin user the following commands: cd /tmp, and then we should use get https download TeamViewer.com, download Linux signature TeamViewer 2017.asc, and then sudo apt key add TeamViewer 2017.asc, then sudo sh -c echo deb http linux TeamViewer.com deb stable main greater etc apt sources list the TeamViewer list, and then we have to run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade commands, which actually will upgrade all system packages, and also sudo apt install TeamViewer, which actually installs the TeamViewer package. I will give all the commands in the description to this video, so you could run each command one by one in your terminal. To make you yourself as a Linux user, you have to run sudo su command, which will make you super user, system administrator root, which is required to install and update any system software on your Linux machine. Once you have installed the TeamViewer, you can run TeamViewer command in the terminal as any user, and it should work. That's all. Thanks for watching. Share, comment, and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and come back to see more Linux tutorials. Bye bye.